Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. I your girl, Debbie from Donga Yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more. It is the Jamaican cooking journey. If you're new right on over here, special welcome. Those of you who are there with me from the beginning of the journey and you're still here, manners and respect. And if you're here and you're having a birthday in this month, happy birthday to you. If it has already passed, happy belated. On today's episode of the Jamaican cooking journey, I just want to share with you how you can do a few wings. Maybe you want to do a bigger batch than mine. I've got here some wings. I have already cleaned them and sectioned them into that flat part there and the little jummets. What I want to do with this wing, I want to season it. I want to get it in some dry, like some dried flour. Season it after it's seasoned. We're going to get it in the flour, coat it in the flour. And then we're going to deep fry them, not to the fullest extent. Then we're going to finish it off in a mustard sauce. Okay? So it's going to be garlic mustard sauce. So it's going to be the Sauce Boss's spicy garlic, I think, sauce I have. We're going to add some mustard to it. But seeing the color of the sauce, or being what the color of the sauce is, when we add the mustard, we might not get that straight out. So we might have to add a little turmeric to it, just to pop the color a little more. So we're going to get our seasoning started. I've left them on my colander to drain. You want them not have no heap of water in them when you go season them. No, you know when you want to have no water on. What I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be using some garlic powder. I'm going to be using this seasoning here. You know, I see me always use it. And some basil and a little salt. That's all I'm going to be using. I'm opting to use the garlic powder because I don't want anything getting burned when I'm frying them off and all of that. But you could also use your fresh garlic, but I think you'd have to like sort of pound it out, not grate it. Don't chop it either. So I'm going to be using a little garlic powder. Well, not too little. I'm going to be using a reasonable amount, you know. And this is look like it's about 2 pounds of wings or 2 1/4 pounds of wings. I'm going to be putting my chicken seasoning. So we don't want to over season this thing here, you know, because we want to get the mustard taste. And I think that's enough. Okay, we're going to leave it to do a little marinating right here. After we put in all of them, yeah, this is my basil. You know, I love it to my heart and all of that. It gives such a nice flavor. And if you have not yet tried basil, dried basil or fresh basil, I think you should. Putting in this amount of salt because we don't know what will happen. So I'm just going to rub these together with my spoon. Put it all a little together. I don't want them seasoning more than this. This is how I want them seasoned. I don't want them coming too heavily seasoned. Okay? And put on my little, let me give it a decent, you know, nice furrow and rub. Yeah, make it look good. Feel nice, feel comfortable, well relaxed, and all of that. That's what we're going to be doing. So this is how you want your seasoned wings to finish. So you want them look. You don't want them with too much of a high seasoning, the coloring, and you know want when you get them all, you know, light off, browned off after you coat it with the dry flour. You don't want it come too dark, so you don't want to put like paprika. You don't want to go there, okay? So you just choose the seasoning, light color. So when they are finished seasoned, them just have them, you know, nothing dark and all of that. This is what we're doing on this clip. That's what we are doing. Just season them. I had them cleaned and all prepped, and I just seasoned with a little basil, a little chicken, grilled meat, a little salt, and a little garlic powder. You can put in onion powder if you so desire. Remember to keep the color of the seasonings light, because we want that mustard color finish when we are through I soon come. Okay, family, I'm right back at you. I've got my flour right here, flour mixture with just a little black pepper that I chose to put in it. You can put what you want, but try to remember to keep the wings, keep them with this clear look. This, you know, even though they're seasoned, you must keep them with that clear look. So what I'm doing, I'm coating the seasoned wings after I've left them to marinate. And you might be very new right here. So I had my wings and I seasoned my wings with my garlic powder and my little seasoning of choice. And the key here was to keep the wings all with the same color, even though they're seasoned. That original color. We don't want it going dark right here. We don't want it going orange, pink, yellow, or blue right here. So now we're coating our wings with some, I think my plate is not properly dried over. Coating the wings with some flour mixture, that is just flour and black pepper right here. So, shaking the excess, we're going to leave it there. We're going to be doing all of them, so that will take some time because I've got quite a few. Leaving it on this plate here to let the flour just definitely sort of stick to the wings. So we're going to do that. You've got the picture right there. And when you see me in the next clip, my oil will be preheated and I'll be ready for deep fat frying. So come. Okay, family, we are back and we have just flavored our oil with 2 pegs of garlic. That's just me. You don't have to do that because, you know, I really like garlic like that. So we have got here our wings now, and they are, you know, taking, you know, the dry mixture is taking set on them. You want to prepare now a container with some paper towel to drain the excess grease. We are going to be deep fat frying and all of that. Right here, whilst we are waiting on our oil, I think it's not up to par. I'm looking at it. If you have your thermometer, you can use a thermometer to set it, and I think, I'm not sure now. Okay, it seems like we'll be ready now at this point. So you want to take your wings now and you want to start dropping them right in. Could be a little hotter and all of that. We are up there. Yeah, it could be a little hotter. So should be a little hotter, but so we don't want them too crowded in the pot. So we're gonna get this in about 2 batches and all of that. So your oil should be a little more hotter than that. All right, we went wrong right there. Okay, but it's the temperature is building up. Yeah, so you want to leave them like that. Start frying. I wanted to start the sauce first, you know, but I don't know why. But I didn't want to get you all mixed up. You know, some people easy to say, lad, well, make sure you left this and gone this. But that's how it goes sometimes. We're gonna make this garlic mustard sauce. So this is the Sauce Boss's spicy garlic, and I'm gonna dump some inside there. In this garlic sauce, there are a lot of herbs, lots of herbs and spices. Okay, so we want to get some of that out to put on our chicken. We don't want to get too much because we want to get this mustard, a lot of this mustard in. We want to get it all mustardy. So we reach up to par now. We are right up to par and all of that. So we're going to leave that to just fry. Now we are going to get some mustard in. You could also, when you're seasoning, use a little dry mustard to season your chicken. We're going to put some mustard to season your wings. And we are going to work with that. We may or may not want a little turmeric. So we are going to mix this together now. And it seems we don't want any turmeric. In camera girl?
And a little.
You think you'll add a little?
Yeah, just
all right.
for color.
Alright, camera girl is here with us. And she said, okay, let's put a little turmeric. Now do it now. Just bring up the color a little more. Because turmeric doesn't have a flavor as such, but you know it can be sort of tardy. That's sort of, yeah. So you don't want to put too much in that something there. So, yeah, not looking bad. And we are going to dissolve the turmeric properly in there. Yeah. So you want to leave, mix, get your sauce done and leave it. Let it stay right there and get right together. Wow. 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 I've never done this before. Sauce Boss, big up yourself from the Jamaican mukbang and vlog. It's the bomb. Who have ever, I don't know any of you if you have ever mixed this with the mustard. Let me tell you, Kimmy, girl, you're on point. Wow. Family, I think you're going to need to try this one. It's good. Oh, that spicy garlic. So now, we're going to leave these to fry. When we return, we'll have these removed and we'll be moving on to the second batch. Okay? So, you see them? We want to get them fried, but we don't want to get them too dark. So, you don't want to crowd your pot too much. So, we're up to par, deep fat frying. Catch you in the next clip. Okay, now fam, now is the time when you want to remove your wings. Remember, you don't want them come too brown. Remember, I just said that. Yeah. Time for them now to come out. So you want them coming out with this color. Remember, you want to have that mustard look at the end, and of course we are going to have the taste right in back right here, and we are on point this time with the oil, the temperature of the oil. But you know, we never go off too much a while ago. Yeah, don't overcrowd your pot. What I had here was just like two batches, and I like that. So this is how it looks. When you see me back, the next set will be out and it will look like this. We are going to proceed. We're going to finish them off in the oven. I think I did say that. 180, we're set in the oven that we are preheating there. So as soon by the time these are through, the oven will be ready. Catch ya. We are back, fam. This casserole is hot and I'm greasing it to the best of my ability. Okay? The tray, whatever, you want to make it hot. So I popped it in the oven earlier. If you want to put it in your microwave or whatever you want to do it in, but you want to get it hot and then you grease it. So you want to just remove this grease catcher now from down the bottom there. Your container here, you want to put a little of this first, not all, and then you want to cover, and then you're going to do a little thing in your kitchen now. You're going to feel nice in your kitchen. So you're going to shake a little, shake. Be shaking this thing, shake it, make sure it's evenly coated, shake. Do it a little at a time. Put the sauce, a little at a time, shake. Shake to a certain dimension, then you pop, stop, pop, and then you look, okay? You see we have the color that we're looking for, camera girl. So at this point, you just want to put like a little more of this. Shake a little more. Try not to let your casserole get too hot. Your oven too cold. And your oven should be there, right over there, and all of that. And it should be properly preheated at 180. Shake, shake. I think I might put my oven at 2. And you're just going to turn out this now into your thing, just like that. If you have one leaving over or 2, you just put it right here and all of that. Right in the oven. It's hot. Remember I told you it should be hot. Wow, this thing is so hot. So you even them out right in the oven, 180, and let that stay in there for the next 25 minutes, and we come back, check in with you. Soon come. So now fam, we are out. Look at these guys. Isn't this a beauty? Isn't this a beauty, camera girl?
Yeah.
From my kitchen to yours, from my Jamaican kitchen to your family table, to your plate, and most of all to your stomach. It is spicy garlic and mustard wings. Please do enjoy. Now, if you have liked this video, remember to give me a thumbs up. Remember to make sure that you're subscribed to the Jamaican Cooking Journey, and when you do subscribe, remember to hit the notification bell. Come on, girl, what would you have these with?
Probably like some sweet potato fries.
Yes,
or like a little mashed potatoes or something like
mashed
that.
sweet potatoes. I would take a little salad on the side. Guys, look at it. You saw what I did. It's not hard. It looked, was it hard, camera girl? It wasn't. It looks like it's hard, but it's not hard. I can't wait to end the video. I'm proud of myself. I feel good. We wanted this mustard looking color. We wanted it to come with this color. Just look at it. It's so hot. And all of that. Look at the bottom. Look at it. You know, you don't have a lot of mess in the bottom, other stuff and all of that. So guys, this was done with the sauce boss part of our sauce. So please do enjoy once more. You want to get some of this spicy garlic sauce with all natural herbs and stuff that Kimmy is doing, that she's marketing. You all want to just get on to her. Her number will be on the screen running right across there. You get in touch with her. I can't wait to dig in. Okay, and the smell, the aroma throughout the house, in camera girl. Please do enjoy once more, guys. I know a lot of you know. I know Sophia, Aline, I know a lot of you gonna be trying this, you know. And Kenisha, all our little local supporter them and all of go. And all of you, let me tell you, man, I'm just gonna go enjoy. I have nothing too tough, you know, but I'm just gonna eat and drink even water. So all our information will be in the description of our video. Thanks to those of you who have been so kind enough to, you know, send a donation here and there so we can continue with the Jamaican cooking journey. If you want to send a donation, or information will be in the description of my videos, this and all of my videos, and it also can get onto Kimmy. Thanks for the love. Thanks for the support, family. I love you all so much. Remember to be you, do you, and most of all, love you some spicy garlic mustard chicken wings.